How would you like to be involved in what's known as a good deed doing?
What does that mean?
It means exactly this. Okay, I'm going to be doing a good deed. Now, that's something I'm going to be doing. Would you perhaps or perhaps not be interested in such a thing at this time?
Why?
What do you mean, why? What are you doing that's so important?
Well, I'm just asking.
Do you have something against acts of kindness?
No, but
So
I
you're
don't.
evil. You're like a bad guy?
No.
Okay. Then... what's the problem here? Hi. How are you? My name's Jonathan G. Gooder. It's an honest-to-God pleasure to meet you, and I'm not just saying that.
Wow, thank you.
And listen, don't worry if you don't get it at first. It's very simple, and I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun. And we'll probably end up becoming great friends after all this, okay? So what do you say?
Well, I'd like to say no, but I won't. Out of fear.
Oh, yeah? That's perfect. Now, what were you working on here?
It's just a drawing.
That's good.
Well, I think it's good.
So do I.
So, a deed?
Right. Yes. Well, first we'll need to find a deed to do. So I was hoping maybe you can help me scope out the area, fly up there.
Oh, I can't fly.
You can't?
Yeah, I weigh 280 pounds.
Oh.
Is that bad?
No, I don't know.
Yeah. I'm obese.
Oh, that's all right. I'm sure we can scrape something together here. There's a couple of bugs here. We might be able to... I don't know. What do you think these two are discussing? This feels important.
I don't know if we should involve ourselves in the world of the bug.
Yeah, but I feel like just by being here, we might be able to facilitate some kind of agreement,
I don't know.
Okay, well, look at this. Come on. That's a deed.
It looks like a standard bug hug. Why don't we keep looking?
I think this is going to be hard to top. But okay. And then I came out of that tree, and then we shook hands.
Right. So we didn't know each other before.
No.
But we know each other now.
No. Okay, this has got to be good. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Do you need any help?
Do you need help?
No.
What we mean by that is, we might be able to help you. Generally. Staples. Staple. What do you say? Fuck this?
Yeah, sure. Hey, have you ever made your own chili?
Make my own chili.